Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Muhammad Uzair. I'm the student of class 9, and today I'm going to deliver my presentation topic, which is about verb. These are written here. So let's discuss what is a verb. Before coming to its definition, we will discuss its function. Munga will all the functions study kuch verb sate dinu munga bya pakhpala definition jodole shu the functions na munga bya rajamukum. So before firing away my presentation topic, I would like to clear your concept. Mungta pa low grades kiti shay way verb sato in mungo toy chi a verb is a word which shows an action. Lagam toy kana laga, for example, he plays cricket mungo te dawayu. Was who play action day. Play is an action because a person is playing, so he plays cricket. It is an action. But what if I say she has my pen? Let me tell you this part in Pashto. Go right. Was mungta will lower grades kiti chi word bago word toy cha mungta action khai. Like amga what example which she plays cricket, yeah, she writes, she reads. No ahu your action show ahu saida. Because it has to way she has my pen. Yeah, zoemachi I have 10 rupees. No padisi ki verb sa show. Like zoemachi has pa ki mungta action nakhai, she mungta action nakhai, mayum action nakhai, penum action nakhai. No, what is a verb? No, what is verb in this sentence? Because verb is the main part of the sentence. It must be present in the sentence. So let's discuss this. Verb is classified into two groups. Number first is called principal verbs, and the other is called auxiliaries and modal verbs. There is difference between auxiliaries and modals. We'll discuss it. So let's discuss the types of principal verb. Principal verbs has got three functions. It has got two functions. Sorry. Number one is to do. Which means an action verb. Number second is state verb. It shows a state. I will explain to you that how. And number third is verb. Number third is called verbs of possession. So the first function of principal verb is to show us an action. For example, he plays cricket, so plays an action. I write. Yeah, I am walking. I am running. So running is also an action. Playing is also an action. All those. So this is called an action verb. The other function of principal verb is to show us state of verb. State means halat. Like how, for example, if I say he is a nice boy. So as I told you before, that is does not show an action. He munta action nakhai, am munta action nakhai, nice nakhai, boy munta action nakhai. No, what is verb? No, padisi ke munga verb basatawayu is tawayu. Is called a main verb in this sentence. Why? Because it shows us state. State of whom? State of he. Being what? Being a nice boy. Is it clear now? That verb does not only show us an action, it also shows state of being, it also shows possession, it also shows up modality and all those things. Let me repeat this again. That verb does not only shows an action, it also shows state. For example, he is a nice boy, she was our teacher, he was my friend, and all those examples. Number third function of principal verb is verbs. This is called verbs of possession. Possession means ownership or malkiyat, we can call it. How does it shows us possession? For example, she has my pen. There is no word which shows an action. There is no word which shows a state of being. So what is the verb here? So here verb is has, and it is main verb of the sentence. Why is it main verb of the sentence? Because it shows us possession. That I have 10 rupees. It is mine, and those things. So this was principal verb. It is also called main verb because it is the main part of the sentence. So this is called main verb. So whenever it comes, there is another misconception of people. For example, if I say she has done my work, or when you think it is, no dalto chidalta da has main verb boli na re. Dalta what is the verb still done. Chagam action khai. Udalta da has sade. Zakat mudalta which has muda sakai verbs of possession khai da muta main verb show. Udalta da main verb na de. Wali na de. We will discuss it now. Da wali na de. So whenever we look at the sentence, we must look at its function. That what is the word's function? If you know the word's function, we can call it that. For example, she has my pen. So here it shows us possession. So it would be called main verb. It does not show us here possession, which cannot be called main verb of the sentence. It is called helping verb. The other group of verb is auxiliaries and modal verbs. So what is auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs, as I told you here, she has. So what is the function of auxiliary verb? It shows us, it is also called helping verb. So it shows us aspect of time. It shows us aspect of time. What is aspect? Aspect means kafiyat, halat. Munta time khai chi, that's the time they past day, present day, future day. For example, they are watching TV, or if I say they're watching TV, they're watching TV, they're watching TV, these are all same. But if I put here or, it shows as present. If I put here were, it shows as past. But if I put here will be, so it shows as future. So helping verb shows us aspect of time, that what time is it? Is it past, is it future, or is it present, or something else? Another function of modal verbs is or auxiliary verbs is to show modality. Modality means munta the sentence ya dagi mood munta khai da ba kam mood ki munta wele shi da ya ba kam mood ki da. For example, if I say she do it, she does it, she does it, she does it, it is the same. But if I put here must, so it means you must do it because it is necessary. But if I said she should do it, it means it is a suggestion. And if I say she may do it, there is a possibility. So modality can also be possibility, permission, necessity. How can it be permission? For example, may I come in? So in simple words, modal verbs shows us modality, the mood of sentence, that in which mood it is. Let me tell you this part in Pashto again, that zamusara auxiliary verbs de bal group zamusara auxiliary verbs de bal modal verbs de auxiliary verbs the bal mung the helping verbs moy. What's the helping verbs card say? What is its function? The function that chida mung the aspect of time khai mung the time kafiyat khai da chida kam time de. For example, zadalta ar wala kum da present show dalta me war wala go notice akka sentence de they watching TV, watching TV, watching TV. Khuma pa kisi helping verb put ko अब helping verb pa kisab put ko are ची आर में put को it is present. If I put here were, so it is a past, and I put here will be, so it is a future. Modal verbs. So modal verbs mungta wi chidam ta modality khawas modal tum ta sanga khawas la kamta the sentence mood khai chida pa kam mood ki wele shida. I hope everybody knows about mood, at what is mood. It shows us in modality means possibility. It can also be possibilities, permission, necessity, and all things. She must do it. دلته must مونږ ولګو د دې مطلب دا دی چې دا خامخانه کول پکار دی. نو دا موږ ته د سنټنس دا یو موډ شو. که زه اوس وایم چې دا نو هغه سنټنس دی خو پکې ما صرف دا پټ کو she should do it. دا هم هغه سنټنس دی خو should مې پکې یوز کو د دې must په ځای. نو دا موږ ته سنټنس موډ بدلی. مطلب دا یو سجیشن دی چې she should do it. It is necessary or not. She may do it. نو دا هم هغه سنټنس دی خو پکې ما مې پټ کو نو دا سنټنس موډ چې کوم دی بیا چینج کو. It means چې هغه به کېدی شي چې هغه وکړي. So it was my presentation topic. If you have any questions, you may ask.